Damn. The Pantie Raider ZEKE the freak is just too much.
What we're gonna do right here is go back. Way back into time.
Como some come.
Damn. The Pantie Raider ZEKE the freak is just too much.
It's considered armed and dangerous with exclusives. Proceed with caution.
Mic check 1 2. Y'all fuck niggas act like y'all don't know who I be. I'm the Pantie Raider ZEKE the freak, and I'm just gonna represent this motherfucker for the Jam Pony Express DJs the way we do this shit. You know what I'm saying? In the meantime, we gonna put this jam on and take you back to the old school, you silly ass fool.
Call the Pantie Raider
ZEKE the fucking freak
at 229-436-7510. That's 229-436-7510.
Damn. The Pantie Raider ZEKE the freak is just too much.